Hi everybody, day 7 math. This one's going to be a rather quick video because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of independent practice going on here that I'm going to be giving you a chance to do on your own. What I want to go over is just the reteach here. We're dividing by 3 and we're using the models to help us divide. Find 15 divided by 3. There are 15 stars in all. So basically what they did was they started with 15 stars. And then because they were dividing by 3, they put those stars into 3 groups. This is my first group, and then my second group, and then my third group. So first group, and then let's go with green for the second group, and we'll go with purple for the third group. So we've got 3 groups. And when you're dividing, you're just trying to tell me how many are in each group. Since each group is the exact same size, if this one has 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then so does this one and so does this one because they are equal groups. It's not division unless it's fair, right? So then the answer is going to be 5 because there are 5 stars in each group. So when you get down here, your job, and this is a lot of independent practice, your job is to divide by 3s. 12 divided by 3, 12 stars into 3 groups. How many stars are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the answer will be 4. How many stars are in each group now? And how many stars are in each group now? And when you get down here, where they did not give you a lot of room to draw stars and then draw groups around them, use the skip counting method. If you're trying to figure out what 21 divided by 3 is, then remember, you can skip count, which means that underneath you would just count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Stop there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took me 7 3s to make 21. So don't forget when they give you not very much space, especially when you get down here and where there's even less space, you can use your skip counting. And don't forget that song from Schoolhouse Rocks, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. The best way to count by 3s. So again, this short video, and hopefully you guys are okay on your own dividing by 3s. But again, if not, you need to make a comment, do so. We are here to help.